Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the LG Gram. Now this is LG's lightest laptop with the longest lasting battery life to date. Now you can buy this on Amazon. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one, $980. Alright, so let's go through the specs real quick. You got a 13.3 inch Full HD IPS LCD display. Now the build is a full metal body, which is made out of premium nano carbon magnesium, and it passes MIL STD 810 durability testing. Now the laptop weighs a little over 2 pounds. You get a 72 watt hour battery, which LG claims is going to give you 22 and a half hours worth of battery life. Now it's powered by the 8th gen Intel Core i5 processor, and you get DDR4 dual channel memory. Now it's running Windows Home 10 fresh out of the box. Now, of course, you got your backlit keys, you got a webcam, you got a bunch of ports like USB 3.0, USB Type-C, headphone jack, and a micro SD card slot for expandable memory. All right, so all of that for under $1,000. Let's see what it is. Shout out to White Shoes back in the building. LG Gram. Nice presentation, simple, clean white box, giggity, rah. Let's pop this open, rah. Here we go. Now let's see, did we miss anything with the specs? Let's see, okay, you got UHD graphics 620, 8 gigs of memory, pretty much it. Okay, no fingerprint sensor, no Thunderbolt. It is what it is. Here we go. Whew, now this looks nice. Let's save that for a second. File that to the side. Now I like the white cables. That's a nice touch to match the white laptop. Here's your power plug. Okay, you got a nice little OTG right here. Let's see if we can get this open. Okay. LG branding on it. USB Type-C. This is going to be the rest of your plugs. Now this is a nice looking presentation. I can't front. White power cable. And here's your Gram. Let's see, is there anything else in here? Of course, limited warranty. Usual books and shit. Pluck them and file them to the side. Now for the coup de grace, LG Gram. Let's get this plastic out of here. Now, fresh out of the box, I gotta tell you, this might be the lightest laptop that I got. I gotta put it next to my Hawaii MateBook, but this is super light. Let's see. Now I'm holding this, basically, I don't want to balance this, but you can easily hold this with 2 fingers. Easily. Matter of fact, do I got a tablet down here? I gotta grab a tablet. This actually feels like picking up a Galaxy tablet. Super light. All right, let's open this up. Okay, let's power this up, see if we got any juice. All right, I might have to plug this in. But in the meantime, here's your keyboard. Let's see how these keys feel. Nice and clicky. Let's go through the buttons. Escape, there's your power button. All your basic buttons. Full number roll. Let's see. Matter of fact, what I'll do is, let me plug this in. This way we could go through some of the OS. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, before I plug this in, let's go through the ports. So on one side, there's your power input. That's where you're going to plug it in. You got a USB 3.0. You got a full-size HDMI. You got a USB Type-C. There's your little LED. Once you plug it in, that's going to flash. On the other side, there's your micro SD card slot. You got a headphone jack, and you got another USB 3.0. On the bottom, you got 4 rubber stoppers. That's going to keep it in place. You got 2 speaker grills with a little LG Gram branding on the top. All right, let me plug this in. All right, y'all, so we back in. Now, I got everything all set up, so now let's test it out. First things first, let's try the one-hand open test. Opens easily. All right, let's try this again. Close it. One hand open, no problems. Now, let's see how long it takes to boot up from completely powered off. White Shoes on deck. All right, so here we go. Now, y'all got to keep track of the time on your own. All right, now that wasn't bad. That wasn't bad at all. Let me put my little pin in. There it goes, fully booted up. Now, I'll show you what the backlit keyboards look like at the end of the video because I don't feel like turning all the lights off right now. But in the meantime, let's try out some of the basic stuff. Now, this is not going to be a full review. I got to use this for about a week first. But let's see what it looks like. Let's try the... All right, my bad, y'all. I had to do some updates. Now let's try out some of the basic stuff. Now, like I said, this is not going to be a full review. I'll do that after about a week. But we'll see how this works. Now, the trackpad, very responsive, nice and smooth. Let's try the voice command. What's the weather for tomorrow?
The forecast for tomorrow shows sun with a high of 86 and a low of 66.
Okay, speakers sound pretty loud, but let's try it with some music. So we'll take it over to the internet. We got Bike Life queued up. Here we go. Max volume. All right, that's max volume. Let's get max brightness. Now the sound is coming from the bottom. Sounds decent. Not as good as quad speakers, but you could definitely hear it. All right, so let's exit out of this. Now, I want to show you what the backlit keyboards look like. So let me pause the video. Let me turn the lights off real quick, and you can see for yourself. All right, so let's see what the backlit keys look like. Now, I'm sitting here in complete darkness. All right, so this is low. Okay, you can easily see all of the keys. Let's put it on high. And here's high. So you're not going to have to worry about typing in the dark. All right, let me throw the lights back on. All right, so let's test a little gaming on this. Now, I just loaded up Minecraft. It was already pre-installed. Now, this is a game I know nothing about, but we'll see how it looks. All right, looks like it's running nice and smooth. Shout out to everybody that be rocking the Minecraft. What I gotta do? What I gotta do? All right, let me jump in the water. Okay. Well, you get the idea. I'm about to rage quit real quick. How do I rage quit? Hold up. All right, that was one of my scumbag rage quit tactics, but I'm back in. All right, so let's wrap this up. LG Gram. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving this a go. Now, I'm going to have to use this for about a week before I give y'all my final rating, but so far, I'm definitely feeling this. Under $1,000. The build quality is excellent. I love the metal feel to this. It's MIL STD 810 approved. That means you could drop this, you could beat it up. It's not going to break. The weight. Weighs about 2 pounds. That might be the dopest feature of this laptop. It's super lightweight. Now, I know this video is not doing it justice. You're going to have to hold this in your hand for yourself. Feels like holding a tablet. You can easily drop this in any bag. It's not going to add any extra thickness or any extra weight. Passes the one-hand open test with flying colors. Boot up speed, less than a minute. I'm feeling that. You've seen the backlit keyboard, nice and bright. That means you can use this in any dark room and get your type on. Now, one of the things I love about this laptop, all of the different ports. So you got your SD card slot, headphone jack, USB 3.0, USB Type-C, another USB 3.0, and my favorite, HDMI. Connect this right to your TV and rock out. The display, crystal clear, great viewing angles. Now, if there's one thing I had to complain about, it would be the speakers. The speakers could have been louder. I prefer stereo speakers or quad speakers. Got speakers on the bottom. They get the job done, though. But anyway, hit me up in the comments and let me know what y'all want me to test out during the full review. Y'all already know I'm going to test multitasking. I'm going to test for lag. And most importantly, battery life. Now, LG claims you're going to get 22 and a half hours worth of battery. Even if it's 20 hours, that's going to be pretty dope. But we'll put it to the test. Anyway, LG Gram, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I'll see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock, one to beam up. Energize.